Leo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. Comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Paalala lang, reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Okay, Leo. What's the update? October 16 to 31 for Leo. Okay, wow. Yes. Ito na ang pagbangon ninyo, Leo. If things were tough, no, kung nahirapan kayo in the past few weeks or months, this time, you are fulfilling your dreams. You are starting a new life. Yung iba, this is a new life sa ibang lugar. Pwedeng kayo ay lumipat ng bahay, lumipat ng trabaho. You are starting fresh. Yan. You have the strength card. This is your energy. Someone na malakas ang loob. May tiwala sa iyong sarili. Alam mo kung kailan ka mag-e-effort sa isang bagay. Alam mo kung worth it ang isang bagay. It can be situation, relationship. You also have the Hierophant. Yung confidence mo nanggagaling sa alam mo nanggagaling siya sa knowledge mo, sa skill set mo. Kaya talagang nandoon talaga yung boost, energy boost sa'yo. You also have the Queen of Cups. And then the Hermit, yes. Ikaw ay pinatatag na ng panahon. Alam mo na kung saan mo ibubuhos yung energy mo. Alam mo kung saan mo gagamitin yung energy mo. And some of you, ang focus yung sarili nyo. Pag-aalaga, practicing self-love, self-care, and also being creative, no? Pagiging creative sa mga bagay na nandoon yung interest mo. Maingat ka na rin sa mga taong nakakasalamuha mo, nakakasama mo, mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo. And pagdating sa decision making, nagtitiwala ka na sa sarili mong kakayanan. Hindi ka na nagsisecond guess at humihingi pa ng advice sa iba. Kasi alam mo na, at the end of the day, ikaw yung magde-decide for yourself. And you also have the Ten of Pentacles. This can be a new career path for you that will bring a lot of abundance. So, pwedeng may bago kang trabaho or source of income or career or business na maaring ito ay mag-generate ng maraming income to the point na maka-accumulate ka ng generational wealth. Yan. You have the Magician. And then the Death card, transformational to sa inyo. You are acquiring new knowledge and skills na talagang magdadala sa'yo sa success. However, merong mga tao that will challenge you. Maaring merong, alam mo na, yung iba mayabangan sa inyo, feeling nila they are better than you, but hayaan mo lang sila kasi yun yung pananaw nila sa buhay. Ang importante is you are focused on improving yourself. Diba? Ganun naman talaga. We have the Ace of Pentacles here. This is definitely good news. Merong fulfillment. Oo, ito na mo. May Ace of Wands pa. Yung iba sa inyo, itong nagsisimula na this can be trabaho, business, career, or creative na journey ninyo. Ito talaga yung gusto nyong gawin eh. You've been wanting to do all your life. And finally, it's happening. Nine of Cups. This is fulfillment of your wishes. Some of you, meron ditong upgrade sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. Maaring kayo ay magiging head ng inyong department o kaya mayroong leadership role for you or the business is going to be very abundant. Ganyan, maganda ang pasok ng sales for you. And then the Four of Cups is your focus on yourself. No? May mga times rin na talagang nakatutok ka sa sarili mo at the same time, sinesharpen mo yung mind mo. Ibig sabihin yan, ikaw rin nagsa-self-study ka, marami kang inaaral to improve yourself, to improve your abilities. You also have the Queen of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong partner sa buhay na very supportive. Can be your spouse, no? Yung romantic partner or your mother or a feminine energy in your life that is responsible rin, no? Kumbaga, um, best partner kayo kasi yung team ninyo is best team up dahil pareho ninyo sinusuportahan yung isa't isa. You have the Two of Swords. You have a major decision rin na gagawin ngayong second half ng October. Ang importante lang kasi rito is nagtitiwala ka sa sarili mo, no? Na anuman yung maging decision mo, this will lead to success. Ayan, kailangan lang talaga malakas ang loob mo. And ang importante ngayon, malakas ang loob mo ngayon. 'Di ba? You are taking responsibility of your choices and your decisions. Kaperahan energy for Leo. Knight of Wands. May ine-explore ka ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo mas malakas ang loob. You are taking risks. Taking risks sa trabaho, taking risks sa business, or endeavors. Ayan. This will definitely lead to transformation. May ile-let go ka. Kasi alam mo na yung hanggang doon na lang talaga yon. And then you are starting something new. Oh my God. You are going to be very successful in this field. In this career. I-claim nyo na to, Leo. Yes. Yung iba sa inyo, merong certain level of popularity, fame. Maaring you are into social media or in the public service or people will admire your work. You will be recognized. May mga awards ka na marireceive. Sa love life naman, you have the Four of Cups. Sa love life, marami kang realization, no? Na yung tipong, kaya may mga bagay na hindi nagwo-work para sa'yo sa love life mo is because may mga pinipilit ka na sitwasyon sa relationship nyo na hindi mo naman talaga gusto. Para lang masabi na, okay, you are in this relationship, pero deep within you, hindi ka kontento. So ngayon, maaring, oh my God, Leo. Kaya indecision ayan the Justice card. You are deciding. This is one of the major decisions mo ngayong second half ng October to leave this relationship. Oh my goodness. Meron kang bagong path na tatahakin. Kumbaga, aalis ka sa isang toxic situation or a relationship na alam mong hindi na nagwo-work for you, hindi na aligned sa mga goals and dreams mo at wala kang pakialam kahit magsulo ka na lang. Ang importante is alam mo kung saan ka pupunta, 'di ba? Alam mo yung tipong may ka-partner ka nga pero parang siya yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng limitation na parang hindi mo talaga naaabot yung fullest potential mo. Eh di mas okay na umalis na lang diyan, 'di ba? Para wala ka lang ibang iintindihin, sarili mo na lang. Okay, what else? Leo. And alam nyo ba, magiging successful kayo whether may relationship kayo o wala. Ang importante, you are focused on yourself. Yan may nagtatry kasing mag-control sa inyo. Tapos, yun yung nagbibigay sa inyo ng stress. Ngayon, at least naliwanagan ka na, no? Sinasamahan mo ngayon yung mga tao na merong paniniwala sa'yo. Kumbaga yung tinatawag nilang soul family mo or people that are supportive of your goals and mas may kalayaan ka na ngayon. You will be very blessed, Leo. And of course, yung kalusugan mo, number 1 din yan. Kasi health is wealth, diba? Yung health naman, hindi lang siya physical. Pwede ring mental, emotional, spiritual health that you will work on. And don't worry, you are divinely guided, Leo. Marami kang mga downloads ngayon, realization about life, na yan yung mararamdaman mo na you are divinely guided. Ano man yung path na tatahakin mo, every time na hihingi ka ng sign, ibibigay sa'yo yung sign na yon for clarity. Oh my goodness. See? The answers you need are coming. Meron kang mga iniisip, pag pinagdidesisyonan, ano yung pipiliin mo, anong path yung tatahakin mo, yung sagot niyan, makukuha mo na yan. Ngayong second half ng October. The energy is gaining momentum. Ayan. Importante yung momentum, guys. Kasi, dyan mo makukuha, dyan mo ma-harness yung fullest potential mo eh. Yung sa momentum niya yan. And also, yung discovery mo, yung opportunities mo, mas malawak. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.